Good afternoon. It's Tom Aspray with the Viper Report. It's Sunday, September 8th. Thank you for joining us. Earlier today, I published a new post on Forbes.com with economic data mixed, why are stocks so strong? Some of you may be aware that last week the ISM Manufacturing Index dropped below 50, which signaled a contraction in the economy. You can see this number of headlines from MarketWatch, CNBC, Bloomberg, and the NASDAQ. This spooked traders on Tuesday, which was what we were looking for after last Friday's close, a little pullback, but we felt confident it would be a buying opportunity. The last time this index dropped below 50 was in January of 2016, about 2 weeks before we issued a major buy signal at the February 2016 bottom, which started the major rally from those lows to the recent highs. On the hourly chart, you can see the pullback here on Tuesday, followed by a gap higher Wednesday, and stocks finished very strong, with the S&P just down 1.56 from the record high, up 18.82% year to date. It was a good week for the major averages, with the NASDAQ up 2.1 and the S&P up 1.79%. I hope you're participating in this nice stock market rally, as the SPY is up 5.5% from the August 16th low when we put out this email. That was when the Dow closed down 800 points, but I noted two subscribers of the Viper ETF and Viper Hot Stocks report that it was accompanied by a panic low reading in the ARMS index of 2.79, which signaled that was a buying opportunity, and we were buying. It was my view at the time that the recessionary fears due to the inverted yield curve and the trade concerns were overdone, and that stocks had dropped back to attractive levels where new buying could be done. Hope you join the party as a new or current subscriber to one of my Viper premium services. This 5.5% rally in the SPY was while the 10-year T-note was yielding 1.5% or lower, almost 3 times the return that we got in just the last month. I've been telling you all summer that there would be trading opportunities, and there was no reason not to get involved, as we give specific buy and sell advice in both the Viper ETF and the Hot Stocks report with tight protective stops, so that we're risking generally less than 5% per position. On the 16th or the 14th, a week later, on August 21st, we put out this email, probably still in your email folder, Will the Bulls Roar Again, where I discussed the further evidence that despite fears of another Republican recession, the market was completing a significant bottom, and we gave extensive buy advice in both the Viper ETF and the Hot Stocks publication. As followers of my Forbes.com article and my publication, a lot of this bullishness was based on my unique analysis of the advanced decline line data. There I track the number of advancing versus declining stocks. As in over 30 years of experience in the market, this gives me valuable insight to what the market is really doing. Last week, in one of the popular trading shows on CNBC, they were wondering whether the market was on thin ice and whether it was going to go up and down on Wednesday. We were looking to buy the dip, and we did, and stocks finished on a very strong note, as I pointed out earlier. This action from the Forbes.com article a week ago shows that the weekly NYSE stocks only AD line had popped back above its moving average over the long holiday, which gave a bullish tilt to the market, confirming our analysis and indicated that this week would be higher. If you're not currently a Viper ETF or a Hot Stocks client, you can go to viperreport.com. If you are not currently a subscriber to either the Viper ETF report or the Viper Hot Stocks report, you can go to viperreport.com, and here you'll have the link to the Viper ETF report. It's just $34.95 per month. You get 2 reports each week and also 6 free trading lessons to help you understand my analysis better. If you're interested in individual stocks, you might consider the Viper Hot Stocks Report. It also comes out twice a week and provides the results of my unique scan analysis every Monday with specific new stock recommendation. Many traders took advantage of that panic low to buy some stock options, which quickly doubled or tripled in price. Though that does not always happen, some of my ability to pick extreme lows in the market allows for very low risk, high return profit opportunities. If you'd like to be considered for the course, you can go to Viper Report, click on Tom's extensive Advanced Decline Line course. It'll explain what you get and what's included. It's one-on-one training with me, 6 hours. This new session will be starting in October, and the initial step is to have you discuss your experience with me, and then we'll both decide whether that's a good choice for you. Hope you have a good week in the markets, and thank you for tuning in. As always, should you have any questions, feel free to email me at tom@viperreport.com. Thank you.